You guys, it is with a heavy heart. Ipsy has done a price increase. I'm pretty sure other subscription boxes have also done price increases pretty recently, but Ipsy joined the ranks and they are now doing a price increase. I am torn because this price increases suck, obviously, but it's spooky season and this is my favorite month. So let's dive into the boxes. I am going to be unboxing the October 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Thank you very much. Today, I'm so excited. I love October. The multi-box unboxing is coming up, you guys. I'm so pumped for it because I love October and it's my birthday month and that just makes everything a little bit better, I think. I'm excited for it. Okay, so like always, I will have links and information to the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus down below. They do gift these to me, so thank you very much, Ipsy, for that. I will have links and information down below, as well as links to all of the products that we talk about today. Let's jump into it, because hello, spooky season bags. I see the bags. I'm very excited about the bags. I will also leave timestamps down below. So we're gonna jump into the Glam Bag, and then if you're interested in seeing the Glam Bag Plus only, a timestamp for that unboxing will be down below. Let's go. Can we just please? This is, I think, my favorite Ipsy bag that they've ever done. It is this beautiful pleathery vinyl, maybe black. It has these like matte black lips with freaking fangs, and then this this neon green detailing, and then the pull is a lipstick. This is my favorite bag that Ipsy has ever done. So this is the Glam Bag. It is now $13 a month. It was $12, so we've had a $1 increase. You get 5 personalized deluxe size beauty samples worth over $50. Sent in a cute makeup bag, and you also get to choose one product every month. Because Ipsy sends this to me, I don't get to choose anything, but they normally do a pretty good job. So let's take a look. The first thing I pulled out is in bubble wrap. Ooh, this is from Chella plus Vela Beauty. Okay, so this is the Blushing Rose eyeshadow palette. It is 4 shades, really pretty actually. I love this. I love this for fall especially. So Chella is a brand that I've gotten at Ipsy before, and it's like, the palette is like a 4-pan neutral palette, right? Not really like up my alley. However, oh my goodness, that is one of my favorite palettes. It is so beautiful. And like, look, I swatched 3 of the shades. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this out. These are really pretty shades. And I like these like little mini quad things because they're great for like days that I just don't really want to put forth a whole lot of creative effort. You can be super creative with them, but they're great for like lazier days too, or like super busy days, you know? I really like that. Okay, next, what is this? This is Rinna Beauty. Why does that name sound familiar? Oh my god, Lisa Rinna, okay. Okay, so this is a cruelty-free brand. This is the Rinna Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Guilty Pleasure. It looks like this is a full size. Sometimes in Ipsy Glam Bag you get full sizes, which is nice. Ooh, that's nice. I just like threw the box down like it pissed me off. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a peachy, almost nude, like a peachy pinkish nude. It's gonna be one of those days for describing shades apparently. That's really pretty. It does feel a tad sticky, but I'm always willing to give it a shot on my lips, because just because it's sticky on your hand doesn't always mean it'll be sticky on your lips. We'll give it a shot. That's gorgeous though. Like, that's awesome. I'm very excited about that. Next, oh, is this also full size? Did I miss something? I have had situations before where my Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Plus have gotten like mixed, like products have gotten mixed up, especially in the way that they package the gifted boxes. So that could have been what happened here, but I honestly don't know. I guess we're gonna find out when we get to the Glam Bag Plus. This is the M2u NYC Eye Primer. This says that it's also cruelty-free. Ooh, I love eye primers with a wand because they are just so easy to apply. Oh my goodness, that has like, oh wow, that's like really unique, because I feel like most eye primers, especially with wands, are either like really sheer or they're super opaque, and this is kind of a mixture of both, but like you can blend it out. I'm really intrigued by that, and it feels really nice on the skin. I'm really excited to try that one out. I love me a good eye primer. Next, ooh, we have the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. So as you guys know, I'm trying to move away from like little sample size products because of my Shop Your Samples project, but this will go in there and I will love it. If you guys have not used the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, let me go ahead and recommend it to you. It is fabulous. It is a cult classic for a reason. I will always take more. Thank you very much, Ipsy. This is great, and I feel like getting products like this in Ipsy bags, it just makes it so much more exciting. All right, and then lastly, this is the Ouai Detox Shampoo. I actually purchased a full size of this at some point in time, and I have not used it yet. I know, but I'm really excited for this because obviously I'll probably use this first before I bust out the full size big bottle of shampoo. I love Ouai products, so that's why I purchased the full size without trying out the sample. Oh, I'm actually really excited about that. Ouai hair care is the best, and it all smells so freaking good. I can smell it through. Oh, and they actually, their products smell so good that they started a like perfume line, and then like body butters and stuff like that. Oh my goodness, it is heavenly. Okay, so October 2021 glam bag. We got the Ouai shampoo. We got friggin' Tatcha. We got a full-size lip gloss and a full-size eye primer. Again, was that meant to be? I don't know. And we got the Chella Blushing Rose Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, that was a good bag. I liked it. And I'm also realizing now that I never gave you the theme again because I am the worst at this. The theme for October is Pretty Wicked, which I love this. Like, this is literally all of the random things like get me excited. So yes, this was a fabulous bag. I definitely think it's worth the $13. Obviously, price increases are never fun, but this like brought it home. So thank you very much, Ipsy. I loved this. Next, we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This bag is cute. I'm not the biggest fan of the drawstring bags just because I don't really have anything to like do with them, you know? Like I find that these are a little bit more difficult to repurpose than the regular makeup bags, but I am going to find a home for this one. It is just this black fabric with the like fang lip, and then I love it so much. The Glam Bag Plus now retails for $28 a month, and you get 5 personalized full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a themed drawstring bag. And you get to pick 3 of your 5 products. That's one of the reasons I am a fan of Ipsy. Picking 3 of your 5 products is fabulous. First product. Ooh, the Makiage Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. I have an Makiage mascara. Is it this one? I feel like the name is different. I don't know. I like Makiage though. It's a really good brand. I liked most of the stuff that I tried from there. I just finished off their brow pen. It wasn't my favorite. Not anything wrong with like the brow pen. I didn't have a spoolie on it. Like, why don't you have a spoolie on you? I'm always down for new mascara though. I'm not gonna open it now because Lord knows I have mascara to get through. But that's a good one. I like that. Next product, ooh, Murad. This is the Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. You guys, I love Murad and I love eye creams, and eye creams are one of those things that I actually don't have. Well, it's subjective. I don't think it's a ridiculous stash of them, so I'm always down to get new ones. And Murad is one of my favorite skincare brands. Their products are so simplistic, but they work so well. And I will say, I have gotten Ipsy for years, and Murad has popped up a lot of times in those years. That's probably where most of my Murad collection comes from actually, but they're really good products. I don't know, this packaging looks different, so either I haven't tried this eye cream or they've changed their packaging recently. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm down for it. I'll always take an eye cream, thank you. Next up, this is from Dermelect Cosmeceuticals. Something. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Oh, I love those words. Look at how fancy that looks. Like, I feel like this should be in like a doctor's office. Can you see that too? I love, okay, y'all know how I am about packaging. I don't know why, like this bottle This shade of this bottle is doing something for me. I like that. Okay, so this is a Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. So obviously it's meant for nighttime. It is a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 active forms of amino acids. Ooh, hello. I'm really excited about that. I love serums, obviously. I go through serums a lot. I actually just finished off a serum today. Not a nighttime serum, but it was a morning serum. It's fine. I love serums. This brand, I've tried a couple of their things before. Not many. Most of them, what was the one thing that I tried? I can like picture it in my head, but I cannot for the life of me think about the name of it. I don't know. But I like this brand from what I've tried thus far. And I'm excited about that. That seems really great. I love serums. I love nighttime skincare products. Look, more skincare products. See, I think that I got something mixed up here. Okay, my stuff was in the bags. I don't think that it was in the bags correctly because this is the Butter Vitamin C Serum, although this would be for like daytime. So maybe. I have gotten skincare heavy bags before. This is your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. I have never heard of this brand before. They are a cruelty-free brand, which is nice. I'm always down to try it. I have mentioned before that my preferred like daytime serum is a vitamin C serum because I just think that they work the best. And yeah, so I'll definitely give this a try. I've never heard of this brand, but this packaging is cute too. I like it. All of the cute packaging this month. Oh my goodness. All right, and then last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5. This is Jecca Black Play Pots. The large pots encourage you to use makeup brushes or your fingertips to apply. The handy individual pots make them perfect for popping into your bag to take with you on the go. What is this? Add color to eyes, lips, and cheeks. This is the Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. This is a cruelty-free brand. Oh, you guys, do you see this? Oh my goodness. Why do I have the longest nails ever? Do you see that gold? Oh my goodness. What would you use this for? You can use it. What did it say? Eyes, lips, and cheeks. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. I love these little multi-purpose like potted products, right? But then I hate them at the same time because I have no idea where they're supposed to go into my makeup collection. So I always feel like I end up overlooking them because I forget that they're there because it's obviously not something that I reach for like every day. But I love them at the same time because they are so much fun to play with. So I gotta figure something out for that. I'm so excited though. I cannot wait to try this out. That is so cute. And I like the packaging too. It reminds me of like Glossier. I love that. Okay. So we had a play pot, we had a serum, we had an eye cream, we had a serum, and we had a mascara. I will say again, I just unboxed them, unbagged them, how they come. So I do apologize if there has been a mix-up somewhere, but I actually have another product in here. It comes in like this box. And then this one was just floating around at the bottom. This is the Theory Body Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub. This looks to be a travel size though. It's 1.5 fluid ounces. So I'm wondering if maybe this was supposed to go in the glam bag. But that's still an extra product. What was the extra product? My email didn't say anything this month, did it? No, I don't have anything about the October bag. So I don't know where the extra products came into play. I don't know what the extra product was to go to. So I do apologize if I got it all mixed up. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Maybe I need to start checking it a little bit more often. I know the first ever Ipsy unboxing where they had gifted me the bag, I had gotten products mixed up in them. But they had like mixed it up at the warehouse or whatever, and I guess a lot of people had gotten it mixed up. I don't know what exactly happened here, but I have this. I'll definitely give this a try. Y'all know how much I love body scrubs. Charcoal, I'm a little weary about. I'm not the biggest fan of charcoal, but I'll still give it a shot. I just don't know where this was supposed to go. So my apologies. If you do know, they normally tell me these things in the emails, and I didn't get an email, and I don't know why it was not brought up in the email. So let me know if you know what is supposed to go in what. And I will try to, I'll try to look it up. I know that they like release a spoiler list, maybe on my account. I'll have to look. I'll have to see if I can figure out, kind of play mix and match here. If I can figure it out, I will leave a correction in the description box below. If I cannot, and you can, thank you very much. And if none of us can, well, Thank you, Ipsy. I do like the bags. I really do. I think the bags this month were fabulous. The price increase is kind of a bummer, but all in all, the bags were great. The products were outstanding and I love them very much. I will catch you guys next time. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all got in your Ipsy bags this month and what is your favorite month of the year. Mine is October. What is yours? I like knowing those random facts of people. So let me know down below what your favorite month is and I will catch you guys next time. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me in the future. I'm not always a spaz most of the time, but not always. And I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Goodbye.